Another gold, another day. Hi guys. Meron na naman tayong bago gold. Mura ang per gram. Per gram is 15,970, right? It's cheaper.
Okay.
Ito yung napili ko. Ang ganda guys, oh. Ganda, ito'y kalahating milyon na. Itong isa. So dito na lang tayo sa medyo manipis ng kaunti. Wala na tayong budget. Ako na, so this is 8.11 grams. So almost half M na to. Sobrang mahal na.
Okay.
Alright. It's good. And so, is it okay if you remove this again? Because it's delicate, you know? I don't want to die outside. So guys, ito na yung... Is that the certificate of authenticity?
This one you see, no? Receipt.
Receipt. This is the
Yeah,
certificate.
Warranty.
Warranty. So,
Yeah.
kaya ako naisipan mag-invest sa gold kasi maganda siya kaysa yung pera mo na sa bank. Ito kasi after 1 year, nag-appreciate siya, hindi nag-depreciate. So, mas okay for me. Alright,
Yun
what's your name again?
Oscar?
Oscar. Nice
Yeah.
meeting you, Oscar. Thank you for
Thank you,
the...
thank you.
Thanks.